Good morning, all my dear students. As you people know that we have almost already finished the entire syllabus for half yearly. I have given all the question answers. So you people should go through the. I know you people are going through the lessons, and I have taken test where class test as well, where you have done quite good. Still, most of you have not submitted the class test paper in the images form. So who have not done it yet, you should do it, and you should go through the lesson, read the lesson, question answer, fill in the blanks, true false. As well as you people know that I've given some sort of diagram, two diagrams. One is of seed germination and the next one is of respiratory organ, so you should practice at your home properly. So as in the last class, as you people know that we are doing a revision of the lesson of the awesome 5. So the name of the lesson awesome 5 itself is all about the five sense organs. So here we are going to learn about five sense organs. If half of the lesson we have already revised, so few topics remains. We are going to discuss it today in this class. So let us start the class. As you can see in the picture, it is written they are trained by the police to find criminals missing. So they, here they means the dogs. So the paragraph is all about the sense organ, how the dogs, snakes, ants, they smell their food. So they are trained by the police to find criminals, missing people, illegal substances, and dangerous bombs. Ants too have an excellent sense of smell. Ants have special sense organs called antenna on their heads. They use to smell, to find their way, and to follow each other. Hence, we see them gathered around sweet food items such as jam, sugar, and donuts. Bees, butterflies, and flies also have these special organs. The forked tongue of a snake can collect smell from two different places at the same time. A stronger smell also helps the snake with the same sense of direction. The tongue is vital for tasting food and for talking. Humans taste with their tongue, however, butterflies, bees, and houseflies taste with their feet. A butterfly walks on the leaves of the plant before laying eggs on it. This is done to make sure that it is edible for the caterpillars when it hatches. Snakes, some lizards, and cats also smell with their tongue. So this is all about the sense organ. Now this is an interesting fact about Jacobson organs. So there are no taste buds on the tongue of a snake. They have what it's called a Jacobson's organ. On the roof of their mouth, they flick their tongue in the air to smell and taste, and when the tongue is brought back into the mouth, it is placed on Jacobson's organs and interpreted by the brain as a taste or a smell. Ants also have a sharp sense of taste and can tell sour, sweet, bitter, and salty taste. Whenever ants find food, they leave a trail of chemicals on the ground, which other ants follow to reach the food. Now, about sense of sight, is it's all about the eyes. Eyes have lens that help us to see. When we see something, the lens in each eye form an image on the back of the eye. This sends a message to the brain. The brain reads the message and tells us what we are seeing. Birds have powerful eyesight because their eyes are bigger as compared to the size of the head. Their large eyes. So, this is all about the sense of smell, taste, and eyes or sense of sight we have learned. In the next class, we will learn about more things. Till then, thank you.